just how they wrapped them.
Yeah, but you would want this part, huh? The struggle.
Mm-hmm. Alright, what the f is up, YouTube? I'm back out here with another Honda Boy video, and as you can see in the thumbnail and the intro, I got the brake calipers powder coated, and I'm gonna get them assembled today, and maybe I'll have time to get them on the car. I also got a new timing light here because my old one took a shit, and I need to do the timing ever since I did that cam seal. My timing's been off. I adjusted the gear, but it's still been off. So I want to get the timing light on there and mess with the distributor. So I bought another cheap one on Amazon. I'm going to get that out and do that first. Yeah, this is an old Craftsman timing light. It's probably older than I am. I don't know what happened to it. It just stopped working. I had everything connected right. You can't really get parts for it. It's got this weird old light bulb for it I can't find anywhere. If anybody knows or wants it, hit me up. But I'm bad at throwing things away, so I'm probably going to keep it. This is a new one here, though. Link will be in the description. Well, it's got the basic hookups. Yeah, as you can see, it's not running very good. I'm not going to be able to talk while I'm filming because it's so loud. I'm going to let it heat up and warm up and get up to temperature before I start adjusting it though. Alright, first thing I want to do here is jump the ECU port so that I can set the timing and the computer knows what I'm doing. Alright, that's how you do it in my car. That's my ECU down there. You can see now the check engine light is on. It did calm down a bit after it warmed up. I think it was good where it was at. Alright, here's a little before and after of the two-step check. I don't know if it made a difference at all. It's still smoking. Alright, so I got them all cleaned up here. Got the piston pretty clean. I'm going to open up one of the boxes here and show you what I got. Start with this one here because it's got all the seals in it. Don't lose my little nipple. Now I recommend you always use the lubricant you're going to be running in the component, but this is not a how-to video, this is a how I do video. So this is this first seal that's going to go in here. It goes around on the inside groove in there. I can't see right now, hopefully the tripod's going right. The object is to not roll the seal. Not get too much brake fluid on the powder coat. Let me know if that's gonna eat my powder coat or not. I don't know. I know it eats regular paint. I'm gonna try to keep as much off as I can. Now the object is to put the seal here on the back of the piston and put the piston in the caliper, and as you push it in, let the seal slide up to the groove here. assembly process here. I think I got everything I need. I did one of them off camera because I didn't quite remember how it went together, but this is one here and I have it for reference. I'm gonna do this one here and I'm just gonna put it on a time lapse. Last step in the assembly process here, you might have noticed these pieces here, they go here. This is what was on here before. It had a little hole in it, and here is the little O-ring. This one is just one I had left on there when it got powder coated, and this is the new one that came without a rubber little O-ring. So I think that the hole is to let moisture out, but I think it can also let moisture in. I don't know if it's updated, but I'm going to use the rubber cap in the new cap here and put this on. So that's what I did on the old one. I don't know why these ones have a hole. Maybe that's what it's for. You tell me what you would do, but this is what I'm going to do. Well, I really like how the calipers came out. I think they're pretty nice. Shout out to my boy Isaiah over there at Express Powder Coat. He was nice enough to bring them to my place. I was too busy to go get them. That's going to be it for this video. If you watched to the end, thanks for watching, and subscribe. If you've been watching my videos and you're not subscribed, you're a failure to YouTube algorithm and you need to subscribe. Keep watching and see when I put the calipers on the rally hatch and all the other shenanigans.